Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video in front of me I have Happy Plugs R1 Plus, and today I will show you how can you pair them with your iOS phone. Let's get started. First you have to remove them from our case, just like that. 1 and 2. Now you can close the lid. Now we have to swipe down to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth twice and click Bluetooth settings. Now we have to wait for them to appear in other devices. During this process we have to click on there once and wait a moment. As you can see, there is R1 Plus, we have to click on it. And as you can see, we're now paired and connected. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more this video and hope it helps. Goodbye.